file sharing services, these are also at the application layer. What is the file sharing service? DHCP. DHCP need a computer. What is a DHCP? So first we discussed DNS, now DHCP. So computer need network addresses to communicate over the network. Additionally, crucial information like gateway addresses, subnet mask, and DNS. Manually configuring a device is not scalable. DHCP allows the automatic distribution of the information. DHCP distribute addresses or lease for the set period of time. Addresses are returned to the pool after a certain period of time. DHCP used for IP address. Basically, if you look at this, I show you the network setting. So look at this network setting on my network card. I have this IP, this subnet mask, this is the gateway, this is the DHCP, and you can see the DHCP is 10.250.1. So basically, I have configured this. I have two options. I can go to the network, change network setting, double click, and then I go to the properties, for example, and in the property I go to TCP/IP, internet, and you can see I have two options. Use the following IP and use the automatically IP. Now, if I have a 510 machine, I can assign the IP addresses myself, but I need to configure IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server, all this information on 510 machine, which may be easy, but if the network is changed, you need to reconfigure them. So, or other way around, you can leave these jobs to a dedicated server, which is called DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which has a pool of IP, and whatever the IP address is available, it will assign to you. Okay. How the DHCP operate? Client requesting DHCP server, do the basic steps, requesting DHCP discover, DHCP server reply with the DHCP offer, and the client send a DHCP request message to server, it wants to use this, and the client say, yes, I want this, and DHCP acknowledge back that this is the IP address is now final. So basically, you are, similarly, the DHCP, so now so far you understand the DHCP DNS very well. Any question? So let's continue with the file transfer protocol. FTP was developed to allow the transfer of the file over the network. So if you want to send a large, share a large amount of file from one server to another machine, from another computer, you can share over the network by using the FTP protocol or FTP file sharing application, something like that, which send the connection, control connection and data connection. This sends 2-1. Client open the first connection to the server for control traffic, and client open the second connection for the data traffic. So this is the connection request or connection control request. Then there is a data connection. An FTP client is an application that runs on the client computer used to push and pull the data. FTP requires two connection between the client and server, one for command and the other one is for the initial for the transfer of the data. So initial connection is established on port 21, then the port 20. Okay. So far in this lecture, which we discuss about DNS, DHCP, and FTP. These are all the application level